Mobility is the most distinctive characteristic of cavalry and is its greatest asset. Therefore, cavalry habitually moves mounted. However, its principal fire weapons are designed for dismounted use. Before resorting to dismounted action, the cavalry leader should use his horses to carry his command as far forward as practicable. Protected by a covering force, the troops are moved to a covered position from which to initiate the dismounted attack. Going from mounted to dismounted action is a deliberate movement. It should be done rapidly, but is not intended as a recourse in case of surprise. Large cavalry units should never be surprised at close quarters. Small units, when surprised, should stay mounted. In dismounting to fight on foot, the horses may be left mobile or immobile. When the horses are mobile, 3 troopers dismount from each set of 4s. The 4th trooper remains mounted to lead the horses of his set of 4s. The light machine gun platoon dismounts and prepares for dismounted action. One squad of 2 light machine guns is attached to each rifle platoon.